Hello everyone, a very good morning student. This is Deepa. Welcome to Learn Social Science. Students, as you know well, we have conducted an activity in which 15 MCQs was there. Now I am going to explain all the questions with their answers. In this activity, students participated and performed well. Now you all are requested to write your scores in comment section, and tomorrow again I will come with next 15 questions. So let's start. Our question number 1 was, which of the following is grown in the rainy season? Option A jowar and bajra, option B wheat, option C soya bean, option D rice. So students, which one is the correct? कौन सा ऐसा ऑप्शन है हमारा जिसकी जो क्रॉप है रेनी सीजन्स में ग्रो करती है? सो ज्वार एंड बाजरा, व्हीट एंड सोयाबीन और राइस. करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ज्वार एंड बाजरा. Option A is the correct answer. Jowar and bajra is grown in the rainy season. Now next answer. Question number 2. Which of the following is the rabi crop? You have to find out which one is the rabi crop. Option A wheat, option B rice, option C cotton, option D jowar and bajra. So rabi crop, wheat, rice, cotton, jowar and bajra, which one? The correct answer is wheat. Option A is the correct. Which of the following is the rabi crop? Now question number 3. Which of the following is fixed capital? Option A tools and machines, option B fertilizers and pesticides, option C soil, option D seeds. So we have learned in the chapter number 1 the story of village Palampur. Which one is a fixed capital? In this one we have learned in second chapter also. Tools and machines. Tools and machines is our fixed capital. Okay, so A option is the correct answer. Tools and machine is the fixed capital. Now move towards question number 4. Which of the following is the standard unit of measurement of land? Option A bigha, option B hectare, option C acre, option D gwintha. So which one is the correct? We have learned in the story of village Palampur, chapter number 1 of economics, that hectare is a standard unit of measurement of land. Earlier we are using bigha, right? So option B was correct answer. Hectare is the standard unit of measurement of land. Now move towards question number 5. The minimum wages for a farm laborer set by the government is option A 50, option B 60, option C 70, option D 80. Students, this question can be exceptional, I can say. Means ये थोड़ा डाउट वाला भी हो सकता है. मे बी some book in the previous books of NCERT some other data will be given, or in the new book other data will be given. So no matters, you just go through the new book. Rupees 50 option A, 60 B, and option C 70, option D 80. So rupees 60 is the correct answer. The minimum wages for a farm labor set by the government is rupees 60. Now question number 6. Money in hand is an example of human capital, fixed capital, working capital, physical capital. You have to find out in which category money in hand comes. Either human capital, or B fixed capital, or C working capital, or physical capital. So we have learned in the chapter number 2 that money is a working capital. Money in hand in the working capital. Example of working capital. Now move towards question number 7. HYV seed stands for option A heavy yielding variety seeds, option B high yielding variety seeds, option C half yielding variety seed, or D none. So correct answer is HYV seed stands for high yielding variety seeds. So which one is correct? B option is the correct. high yielding variety seeds. Question number 8. What is the main production activity in Palampur village? This is a very easy question. Option A, farming. Option B, animal husbandry. Option C, transport. And option D, small scale manufacturing. So you all know that farming is the main production activity in the Palampur. So option A is the correct answer. Now move towards question number 9. Multiple cropping means growing only 2 crops. Option B, only 3 crops. Option C, up to 4 crops. Option D, more than 1 crop. So multiple cropping means what? When we are doing more than 1 crop in the same piece of land is known as multiple cropping. So D option will be the correct answer, more than 1 crop. Now move towards question number 10. Land under cultivation in million hectares in India in the year 2000 was. 2000 में हमारा जो मिलियन हेक्टर्स में इंडिया में लैंड अंडर कल्टीवेशन कितना था, अगर हम इंडिया मिलियन हेक्टर्स में कैलकुलेट करें तो कितना था. सो ऑप्शन ए 120, ऑप्शन बी 130 million hectares, option C 140 million hectares, option D 150 million hectares. So correct answer is 140 million hectares. C is the correct answer. Question number 11. Which area in India has a low level of irrigation? इंडिया का ऐसा कौन सा पार्ट है जिसमें इरिगेशन का लेवल कम है, यानी सिंचाई की व्यवस्था कम है? ऑप्शन ए डेक्कन प्लेटिव, ऑप्शन बी कोस्टल रीजन्स, ऑप्शन सी रिवरराइन प्लेन्स एंड ऑप्शन डी बोथ ए एंड बी. सो रिवरराइन प्लेन्स can't be the answer. A and B, no. Coastal regions, again no, not at all. So correct answer is Deccan Plateau. Option A is the correct answer. Deccan Plateau is area in India has a low level of irrigation. Now question number 12. Modern farming methods were tried in India for the first time in Punjab, Western UP, Haryana, or all of the above. So which one is the correct answer? Students, as we all know that modern farming method जो हम हैं इंडिया में फर्स्ट टाइम कहाँ, मतलब पंजाब, वेस्टर्न यूपी, हरियाणा, ये तीनों ही एक ऐसे एरियाज़ हैं जहाँ पर फार्मिंग का सबसे पहले प्रोडक्शन किया गया, क्योंकि ये सारे के सारे क्या है, मोस्ट फर्टाइल एरिया. सो मे बी आंसर विल बी ऑल ऑफ द करेक्ट अबव इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर. और वैसे हमने हरियाणा में सबसे पहले स्टार्ट किया, फिर पंजाब, वेस्टर्न, बट ये तीनों एरियाज़ जो है मोस्ट फर्टाइल एरियाज़ हैं और मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड सभी में यूज़ किया जाता है. सो ऑल ऑफ द अबव इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ अ मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड्स? ऑप्शन ए मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग, ऑप्शन बी यूज़ ऑफ हाई yielding variety seeds, option C use of chemical fertilizers, or option D both B and C. So what is the correct answer? Modern farming methods में क्या हम करते हैं? Multiple cropping, yes. Use of high yielding variety seeds, again yes. And chemical fertilizers, use of chemical fertilizers we are doing in the modern farming method. So answer will be बोथ बी एंड सी. ठीक है, मल्टी क्रॉपिंग जो है ये हमारा मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड्स का पार्ट नहीं है, बट हाँ नाउ अ डेज वी आर डूइंग मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट आउटपुट. बट whenever we'll discuss about modern farming method, so we will use of high yielding variety seeds and use of chemical fertilizers, right students? So both B and C will be the correct answer. Now, question number 14. Production of pulses in million tons in India during 2000 and 2001 was. Option A 10, option B 11, option B 14, option D 12. You have to tell the production of pulses in million tons in India during 2000 एंड 2001. 2000 एंड 2001 के सेशन में हमारा प्रोडक्शन ऑफ पल्सेस बताना है. सो ऑप्शन सी विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर, दैट इज 14 million tons during 2000 and to 2001 session, right students? No. In million production when we are during 2000 and 2001, that is 11 is the correct answer. 11 million tons, right? So option B will be the correct answer. 11 million tons production of pulses in India during 2000 and 2001 was. Now move towards question number 15. Which one is a natural resource? Option A, labor. Option B, raw materials. Option C, minerals. Option D, none of these. We all know raw material भी हमारा जो है हम बना सकते हैं, अपने रॉ मटेरियल को कलेक्ट करके हम एफर्ट्स डालते हैं. लेबर भी ह्यूमन मेड है, बट मिनरल्स हमें नेचुरल प्रोसेस के थ्रू मिलते हैं. सो ऑप्शन सी विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. मिनरल्स वन इज अ natural resource. Minerals is a natural resource. So this is all about your answers, students. We have discussed each and every question well. This question, modern farming method is tried in India for the first time. I will check it. Another answer can be the answer. Otherwise, all of the above is the correct. Okay, students? You should just check it down. So thank you very much, students. Thanks for listening. And this is all about your answers. You are requested to write their answers in comment section as we have done. So it's an activity. Thank you very much, students.